psychologist who talks about career. Let me introduce you to the golden handcuffs. You have probably never heard this term, but if you are working in UAE, you might already be wearing them. Here is how it happens. Year 1. You get a good job in Dubai, the salary feels incredible, you upgrade your apartment, you start eating at a nicer places, you start sending money home, lifestyle feels good. Year 2. You get a raise, your lifestyle matches it, nice car, better area, more commitments. Year 3. Something starts feeling wrong. The work doesn't excite you. You feel trapped. You want to leave. But here is the problem. Your entire lifestyle, your apartment, your car, your money you send home, all depends on this salary. You can't afford to leave. You can't afford to take a pay cut. You can't afford to start over. You are handcuffed and they are golden. So from outside it looks like success. From inside it feels like prison. As a psychologist, I see breaking in professionals in UAE more than almost anything else. The anxiety, the resentment, the slow death of motivation. You built a life around a salary instead of building a life around who you actually are. The earlier you catch this, the easier it is to change. So if you are in year 1 or 2 right now, listen carefully. Build a life you can afford on less, so you always have freedom of choices. Save this, it might be the most important financial and psychological advice you receive this year.